Hello and welcome to this introductory video for the first step in your journey of setting up your rolling deployment with ARA, the definition of application package states. Let's imagine now we're looking at the deployment of a three-tier application: front-end, business logic, and database. You now want to roll out a new version of this application. If you map this to ARA deployments, each component is deployed onto three separate deployment targets, which receive traffic from the load balancer. The rolling deployment strategy allows you to plan deployments across multiple phases, usually including one or more server performing one or more functions within a server cluster. Rather than updating all the servers or tiers simultaneously, you can install the updated software package on one server or subset of servers at a time. Rolling deployments are normally used to reduce application downtime and unforeseen consequences. Also, it can help prevent errors in software updates. Let's now have a look at the package states you have to set up to initiate your rolling deployment with ARA. For this use case, we have one environment, one profile, and we deploy all the components per package sequentially across multiple targets. The active state is the initial state upon creation. When the package arrives into the deploy state, a deploy workflow is automatically triggered. The deploy workflow transitions the application onto the staging targets. After acceptance is complete, the application is transitioned onto its final destination, production, and the state marking this is called the deployed state, which is the final state of the package.